Hi everybody, so I'm back with part 2 of the video for the 6-day challenge for the prompt basket. So we've made the backgrounds and now it's time to start to create the hearts. So we've got our different colours. I'm going to be sticking these onto some music paper just so that they've got something on the back. So I'm using a Dina Wakley stencil just to get some heart shapes, and I folded my Yupo paper in half so that I would get 2 cut out at once, because as you know I hate cutting out. So I'm sticking them on this music paper, and then actually what I'm going to do is put them under the sewing machine and just sort of sew round a few times just to get that lovely stitchy look. So and I wanted them to have some pattern on the background. So here we go with the sewing machine again. I'm just going to go round pretty quickly, not worrying too much about the lines being straight. I do quite like that sort of sketchy look with the sewing machine, and certainly using this foot on the sewing machine does make it much easier. Then I got a bit lazy and I didn't bother taking it off in between. I just sewed across the paper, but it's fine because they're going to be cut out anyway, so that worked okay. So I did it with both sheets, so all the hearts that I've cut out, I sewed around all of them. I'm not going to use all of them, but of course the ones that are left will come in useful for some collage fodder. So then cutting them all out, that's the next job. Okay, so then if I'd thought about this, I could have done it the first time. So I wanted to create the basket, so I sewed the basket I'd already made onto another piece of card, leaving it open at the top, creating like a sort of envelope, and then use double-sided sticky tape to make it so it would stick down. I wanted to break up the background as well, so using this Tim Holtz dotted stencil and some white paint, I'm just adding some dots just to break up the colours on the background a little bit. Then I'm using some Dina Wakley collage tissue paper. I love putting a bit of text into my work. I like how it looks, and I like the way that it breaks up the background a little bit. Then I'm just using a little bit of watered down white paint, and I'm just putting a tiny bit over some of that text just so it's there but it's not quite so in your face. Once it was dry, I then stuck the basket in place. And then you can see I'm just gathering some hearts together and then they're going to sit in the basket. So next job was to just find some almost like self-affirmation prompts that I was going to glue one onto each heart. So I kind of felt that I wanted to do something that was, I don't know, just like affirming that, you know, we are worthy, we are brave, we are kind and strong and loved. So I found some prompts and I just typed them up on my laptop, printed them out. Obviously, if you've got a typewriter, you could type them out on there and then stuck them onto the hearts. It's like a basket of love. And then it was time for a quote. Self-care is giving the world the best of you, not what's left of you. Something we can all be guilty of, saying yes too much and taking on too much, and then it just wears us out. So I'm then using a white gel pen and I'm just going over the lettering, just pushing it away a little bit. And then I did add some black dots to the page as well. There we go, there's the finished page. So I hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed watching the process. I can't wait to see what you all create. Don't forget to tag me when you do. Thanks for watching.